Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from Let's Meal Prep recipe app. And guys, this is an apple braised pork loin. It smelled so good when it was cooking. I can't wait to eat it today. It's gonna be a lunch for me today, but this would be a phenomenal dinner, no doubt, especially straight out of the crock pot. Real easy to make. It takes a couple hours. All you do is sear the pork loin in a skillet, throw it in the crock pot with some apple cider broth, some spices, a red onion. Let it cook for about 2 hours on high. Pulls apart, it's beautiful. Let it sit in the juices for a while. I paired this with roasted cauliflower and baby carrots. We sprinkled it with olive oil, some paprika, salt and pepper, and roasted those veggies. This is gonna be a great lunch. I can't wait to eat it. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It comes out this Thursday in the app. Let us know what you think. All right, have a great week.